Why do most people fail on Fiverr and never even get one order? It's crucial to grasp this when starting your Fiverr account. The competition is fierce, yet many newcomers fail to acknowledge this reality. They don't consider the need to stand out from the crowd. Instead, some approach Fiverr with a sense of entitlement, wondering why they aren't receiving orders despite their skills. This mindset is flawed and limiting. To succeed as a seller, you must understand that Fiverr is designed to recognize and reward those who truly deserve orders. If you're not getting orders, the responsibility falls on you. It indicates that your business and skills aren't yet at the level required to attract clients. However, there's hope. With dedication and improvement, you can succeed on Fiverr. Those who focus on delivering value and innovation eventually catch Fiverr's attention. This is because users are drawn to gigs they perceive as worthwhile. Therefore, serious sellers who offer something unique are more likely to receive clicks and consequently orders. So, why do most people fail on Fiverr? Simply put, they don't prioritize their service or skill development. Selling on Fiverr requires a deep understanding of your offerings and how to market them effectively. If you're struggling to sell your service, it's a sign that you need to reassess and enhance your understanding of your business. Remember Jeff Bezos' philosophy. It's always day one. Even successful sellers should approach each day with a learning mindset. Continuously refine your skills, adapt to changes, and strive for improvement. By doing so, you'll increase your chances of success on Fiverr and beyond. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.